Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm planning in my Encourager Layout social media planner, and I'm going to be using Planner Babe and some flowers from the Brights Mega Sticker Book. I did pre-choose a whole conglomeration of stickers that I'd like to use. And so I want to say thank you to all of you guys who've been joining me in prayer for Gannon. We still don't have any news. Today is the 11th. It's Tuesday. And then thank you also for those of you who reached out to me to check on me and for understanding my absence over the last couple weeks. So as you can tell, I have done zero planning for February, and I'm hoping that I can get back on track and find my groove again for the week of the 17th through the 23rd. So that's the week we're planning for. And if you notice, I do have some washi strips down here at the bottom because I started this plan with me and actually had several stickers laid down, and then my phone rang and it cut my recording off and I didn't realize it. So anyways, story of my life, my video got messed up. So I'm starting over. So the first thing I want to start with, I'm going to kind of base this spread off of kind of like a rainbow of colors and these discs. So this sticker says choose joy, and I'm going to, I think, layer this sticker with a flower, maybe on like Tuesday or Wednesday. See if I can figure out kind of how I want to do this. So I have not been checking my stats or my revenue, and while I was out or off of social media, my YouTube actually hit 4,000 subscribers. So, and I wasn't writing anything down, so I don't even know when that happened. But thank you guys for all of your support. I'm going to do my best to just get back on track and bounce back and trust God and trust His timing, that we will have answers and we will find Gannon, or they will find Gannon. I'm in South Carolina. I can't do anything in Colorado but pray. But I'm going to trust God on this one and just keep praying that Gannon is safe. So trying to get back into my groove here. I'm going to layer this flower under this box here. See how this is going to look. Yeah, I don't like the pink behind the green box here. So I think I'm going to take my X-Acto and just trim that out if I can find it. I can see the shadowing back here and I don't like it. So if you guys have watched me for long, you kind of know that I am kind of OCD about things like that. Oh, and you'll also know that I can't cut straight. So it is what it is. All right, so let's peel this up so we can move on. I still cannot peel stickers with this X-Acto knife. I don't know how people do it. All right, that's crooked, but it's okay. So it's cute. So we're just gonna leave it. I do want to change this header. Focus on is fine, but I kind of wanted to add some more color in here. So I'm going to change it to check it off, just to add a different color on this box. So there, that's cute. Now, I think I wonder what this would look like up here. Maybe I'll do it from starting over here on Monday. I'm just kind of like laying stickers down. I like to play around in this planner just because I don't really have to write a whole lot in it. It's just for social media planning, so I kind of like to play around with my sticker placement. And I don't think that looks bad. This says good things happen to those who plan. So let's see what else I've got here. I've got 2 flowers, 2 boxes. Maybe I'll take Planner Babe and put it right. Is that going to be too much? I think I'm going to put it down here. I'll still leave room for my stats. So this is actually 4 stickers here in this area, but I think it's cute. I was gonna lay it over here, but then I feel like that'd be too many discs. So here it's kind of evenly spaced out, and I think that's cute. So let's move to the other page. And I think I'm gonna put this one on Sunday. And I should probably layer it with another sticker. So what I'm gonna do is cut this sticker in half the long way. And I did go back to my regular scissors. I don't know if you guys saw the video where I had bought those rose gold scissors. They were in the crafting section at Walmart. But those scissors were so heavy and clunky, I can't use them. So I went back to just my basic scissors, in case you guys notice. So I think I'm going to use this side that has the pink dots on it. And then I'll use the other section of this somewhere else. All right, that's cute. Now I want to, since I kind of have like this header going across this box, I want to use this Be Happy, Be Bright, Be You on this side. And we'll start right here on Saturday. And just go across the discs at the top of this box. So that's cute. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I keep looking back at this page because I want them to be similar but not the same. So I think I'm going to grab my pink, this Pink Today box. Excuse me. And Saturdays are usually my big filming days. Today is Tuesday, like I said. Hopefully by the 22nd, I'll be back on my normal filming schedule. We'll see. So we'll just put this here. And then I do want to change the header like I did on the other side, just to have more color over here. So we're going to put this green top priority over top. And I'm going to have to find another flower because this box is pink and my only other flower that I've pulled is pink. So let's see what we can find in here. I think I've used almost all of these flowers, and I'm really liking the paper background flowers. I've got this. This is pretty. I wonder how this would look. I think that would be cute, but I need to cut it because I won't like that green behind there. So let's cut it this way and see what it looks like. Yeah, I think this is cute. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. Now I have this, and this actually came out of the Planner Babe Mini. So the Planner Babe Mini Planner is a vertical layout in a mini size. So this sticker is actually meant to go vertically, but I thought it would be cute to lay it horizontally somewhere. And I think I'm going to put it down here because I've got discs there. I need some discs down here. So I'm just going to put it down here and let it overlap Thursday and Friday. And I almost feel like I need a flower behind this too. Maybe I'll grab a small flower. Let's see. Maybe this small pink one. Just to kind of, yeah. Because I feel like this sticker kind of looks silly by itself. So let's just put this little pink one kind of behind the edge here. That's too much. I need to slide that out some. I don't know if I like that or not, y'all. It might be too small. Let's try it this way. Yeah, that's not too bad. I'm not crazy about it, but we're gonna leave it for now. I can't spend all my time on a little flower. All right, and then let's see, what else do I have? I've got a bunch of functional stickers that I was gonna try to incorporate into the spread. So I think I wanna use some of these, remember focus to do, and I kinda wanna put one over here. So I'm going to have to use the green because I have purple here and I have this pink color here. So we're going to use green focus. And we're just going to put it here on this to-do list. Let me grab my tweezers. I'm going to kind of try to center this as best as possible. Okay, yeah, that's cute. And let's use to do up here on Thursday. Okay. So I think this is turning out pretty cute, even though it wasn't perfectly planned. I was gonna say I'm not gonna use this flower, but I wonder if I can use it here under this box. All I do is write revenue in these sections. So let's just try it. I'm gonna cut it down the center and just kind of lay it on top of that box. Let's just see what it looks like. And cut it the long way and just lay it up top here. Yeah, that's cute. All right, I kind of want to use that yellow flower somewhere, like my leftover yellow, but I'm not sure where I want to use it. I wonder what it would look like here. I'm gonna cut some of this white off. Let's try it down here with this Choose Joy sticker. Yeah, I think that's cute too. All right, so we're still pretty functional. And I did grab this little airplane because I need to do another traveling planner update, and I just thought the little airplane would be cute. So let's put that. I usually try to do, or at least check on the planner on Thursdays, just to kind of see where it's going. So we'll put my little airplane. Ha, he looks like he's crashing. Let's don't make him crash. I don't like that. So, okay. All right, I think I'm gonna call this done and just not use any of these other stickers. And I will put those back. So let's put it back in my planner and see how it looks here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you will consider. If you do hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is what it looks like. I mixed in discs and flowers, and I think it turned out pretty cute. Y'all let me know what you think. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.